So before I demonstrate the controller working, I want to go through some of the hardware. So first off, we got the STM32 Blue Pill, and then we have some PN2222 transistors, as well as just some generic buttons, which we use to control the mode and the color on the strip. Then we're just using the USB port to power the Blue Pill, and this power rail to provide 12 volts to the strip itself. Now the strip I'm using is pretty interesting. This is the connector wire it uses, and so this white line here is actually common power, and then the RGB lines here are used to ground the LEDs, which turns them on. So the transistors here that I'm using are not running 12 volts, they're actually just grounding this connector. So to set it up, first off I'm going to plug the connector into the breadboard. It just plugs in like so, pretty easy. And then I'll start by powering the Blue Pill, and then powering the strip. And we should turn it on, see it turn on in green, just like so. And right now it's in the first mode. So after a couple seconds it will change color. So this is the constant colors, or the constant colors mode, where I believe it's every 10 seconds it'll change color. So as you can see there, that's working, and I can actually manually change the color as well by pressing this button. The timer maintains itself, so even if I change it, it doesn't reset. And now if I press this button, it will take me to the constant color mode, which, as you will see, doesn't change the color at all. It will just maintain that, and I can still press the button to change the color, so I can kind of set it to whatever I'd like it to be and just leave it there. Oh, sorry about that, I had an issue with my power supply. But now I want to demonstrate the pulse modes. And so the first one pulses through all of the colors, and so as it fades out, it'll switch colors and then come in with that new color. And the second one just maintains the same color and pulses it over and over. So right now this is on the constant colors mode that just cycles through. I'm just going to press the mode button, and then it should switch, and then I'm going to press it again to bring us into the pulse colors mode. So as you can see, it's pulsing with blue right now, and I believe it should be blue and green after this. Takes a minute to fade out. There it goes. Yep, we've got blue and green there. And then if I switch over to the constant colors, you'll see that it kind of reset itself. And when it goes, it will maintain the same color. And bam. And if I hit the mode button again, it takes us right back to that constant color cycle one. So I'll just demonstrate that that's back where we're at real quick. And then, yeah, I hope you enjoyed that demonstration of this LED controller.